Hello, dear brothers and sisters around the world. Nice meeting you again through this video. Today, I want to share something very simple yet very deep, something that affects our faith, our daily life, and our future. My dear friends, in any religion, people believe strongly when they see real results, and when they don't see results, naturally, their faith becomes weak. This is not wrong. This is human nature. Many people practice, pray, chant, and still feel nothing is changing in their life. And this is why many people lose faith. But, my dear friends, the truth is, we Buddhists often do not teach the real secret of Buddhism, that is, the power of the mind. The Buddha did not ask us to believe blindly. The Buddha said, Ehi fasiko, which means come and see for yourself. It means experience the results directly. The Buddha never forced anyone to believe. He invited us to understand. He taught Mano Pubbangamba Dhamma. Mind is the forerunner of all things, my dear friends. Whatever we think, speak, and do becomes our life. Modern people call this affirmation, law of attraction, positive vibration, energy alignment, manifestation, all this. But these concepts we are already taught by the Buddha 2600 years ago. So, why don't people get results? Because we often teach rituals but not mind training. We teach stories but not application, my dear friends. We teach philosophy but not practice. For example, Buddha also wants us that craving lova in Pali language blocks results. The Buddha said, Lova aku salamulam. Craving is the root of unwholesome results. If we affirm with craving, I want this, I must get this, why isn't it coming? The mind becomes tight, worried, and restless. A restless mind cannot bring success. This is eternal truth. A worried mind cannot attract peace, but a calm, steady mind has unlimited power. The Buddha said, Sitte Santite Sukha Hoti. Sitte Santita Sukha Hoti. When the mind is calm and happiness arises. So what should we teach our people? A very simple method we can teach to our people so that they can understand clearly. It's deeply, my dear friends, like think clearly, speak positively, make right effort, keep the mind calm, very calm. Let go of craving, trust the natural process. When we teach this, our people see a very positive and outstanding results. Their life changes, their confidence grows, their suffering reduces, their faith becomes strong and unshakable. My dear friends, Buddhism is not only chanting and praying and rituals. It is not only rituals, it is a practical method for transforming the mind. And now, let us close this speech with simple daily affirmation. These affirmations are peaceful, wholesome, and aligned with Buddha's teachings. If you like, you can repeat and practice them softly in your heart every morning, evening, and anytime as you like. Like we can practice for like affirmation for happiness. How can we get happiness in our mind? I'm happy and grateful for this moment. Every affirmation should be with present tense. Happiness is rising within me right now. We can also affirm for peace. I am calm, peaceful, and balanced in this way. We can also practice for inner peace, for flowing through us. We can also affirm for wealth. Wealth is, of course, essential. Like I'm attracting wealth through honest and wise effort. Opportunities are coming to me now. In this way, we can also practice affirmations for abundance. I'm surrounded by abundance in every area of my life. Good things are entering my life peacefully and naturally. We can also practice affirmation for success, like I am successful in my goals. Success is naturally flowing into my life. We can also affirm for our strength, like I'm confident, strong, and capable. I'm making wise decisions every day. In this way, we can also practice affirmations for our spiritual growth, like I'm mindful, present, and grateful. Like I'm growing in wisdom, compassion, and understanding. So, my dear Dhamma friends, we can also affirm like this: May I be happy, and may I be peaceful, may I be successful, may my mind be pure, calm, and bright. So, if you find this video beneficial, you can of course like and subscribe this channel so that you can receive all informative videos from this channel. Thank you everyone. Sabbe Sakta Sukita Huntu. May all living beings be happy. May all living beings be free from all kind of suffering. Thank you everyone. Thank you all.